So today I will be using a cordless vacuum from VacLife. VacLife is a professional brand that specializes in home and automotive appliances. They are a 5-star seller on Amazon and have their own website as well. They have over thousands of positive reviews for this vacuum, which is great because I always like to look at the reviews before I purchase any item. I love the sleek design of this vacuum, and it isn't too bulky when you're storing it away when you're not using it. This vacuum is super simple to use and comes with different attachments to make sure you get into the right and tight spaces. I also like that the filters are washable compared to other brands where you constantly have to replace them after a certain amount of times, which really sucks. It also has a strong suction power and isn't very loud either. It is fast charging and has a nice long battery life and is super lightweight. I love that this vacuum has a little button that turns on a super bright LED light so you can see where you're vacuuming in your home or in your car. I love using this vacuum for where my counter meets my backsplash because I have a stone backsplash and it's always super difficult to clean right where it meets the counter because a rag won't pick it up easily, but this vacuum makes the job so much easier. I love this vacuum and I definitely recommend it. I will have the links down in the description box below to their Amazon page and to their own official website. I also have a discount code if you order from the VacLife website. The code is Nicole15% where you will get 15% off your order. So don't forget to check them out if you guys are interested.